everyone, this is Vaishnavi,
Kirti, Pooja,
and Vatsala.
Today we are at Mr. Raghu's house
in Vilaykarali. It's a 4 BHK flat.
We are excited to talk about his house.
Are you? Guys, let me tell you about foyer, which is 12 feet by 10 feet. We have proposed the corner cabinet which has a step kind of design with a couple of drawers and the bottom cabinets. Over here, this is the place to sit and change their shoes, which is very comfortable. And coming to the top ceiling, we have just given the curved to oval shaped designs with the one single antique piece chandelier. Guys, in foyer you have seen the curved false ceiling, the same concept. We are running to this arch which is 3-inch thick. Coming to the living area, in the false ceiling we have run the same curved shaped false ceiling which runs from one corner to the another corner. Guys, this is the first time we got a huge wall to decorate the TV panel. How we have planned it, we have given the L-shaped panel which runs to that corner, and you can see behind this we have proposed the sleek panel to conceal the all wires and the bottom cabinet. With this cabinet, you can see another side of this wall we have proposed a 2 display unit with a spotlight.
So this is the dining room. The entrance of the dining room has been given with an arch paneling where we have paneled the arch by using a 3-inch wall paneling. Towards this area, if you can see, you can want something exciting on the ceiling. I want you to have a close look at the ceiling before I start explaining about the concept in detail. If you can see the ceiling here, what we have done is there is an descending order of this oval shapes with one more oval shape inside, where there is a plus level and a minus level with the co-lighting, which is the same concept we have used in the foyer area, and a beautiful fan with the chandelier in the center to lit the complete dining. Over to this side there is a chest of cabinet which is called as a counter unit, wherein we have got a display cabinet on either side with a set of 4 drawers at the bottom. Towards this side, guys, there is a crazy puja unit with a curved shaped door, and towards this side, if you can see, there are 2 fixed glasses. The reason being, we wanted to extend the puja room by around 1 feet outside, and inside the puja unit, the wall is cladded with the stone cladding. So if you can see this side, you can see a beautiful onyx shaped acrylic here, which itself is adding a very elegant beauty to the breakfast counter. The breakfast counter is designed by using stepwise, where they can use it as a chopping counter from inside, and from this side it can serve as a breakfast counter. The entrance of the kitchen has been paneled with a wooden paneling. Well, this kitchen was having a size of around 12 feet by 12 feet, guys, and in this kitchen we have used one single color. The reason being, we wanted the kitchen to look more spacious. In detail, if you want me to explain, if you can see towards my right hand side, what we have given is a provision for a tall unit, in which there is a provision for an inbuilt oven, below which there are a set of 2 tandem drawers. Next to it, there is a set of 3 drawers, that is Katari, Cup and Saucer and Thali, which is adjacent placed by a bottle pull out. Again, we have an adjacent tandem boxes where they can store their cooker, atta, chawal and all those things. Next to it, again we have given a storage cabinet, and as you all know, we want to make the better and best utilization of the corners. So we have given a solution called as a magic corner, where they can store much of their grains, vessels, everything. Towards this side, guys, we have given a storage where they can keep their atta chawal with the openable shelves inside the cabinet. And then again we have a set of 2 tandem drawers with a gallery. Below this sink we have given a provision for dustbin, detergent holder and etc. And on the top, if you can see, the continued L-shaped cabinets which are having a depth of around 300 mm, continued with the symmetry of a horizontal top lift sandwiched with the frosted glasses inside, where they can keep their cup and saucer and all those things. To cover the chimney pipe, what we have given is a cover patta so that the entire pipe can be concealed inside. So that's it about this kitchen, guys.
Hey guys, let me explain you about the master bedroom. As soon as you enter, you will see a big huge 4-door slider wardrobe here. and we have sandwiched mirror with SS strips, and we have given loft wall to wall, and other side we have given king size bed with 2 side stands, and opposite to this we have given a sleek TV unit with bottom cabinets and back panel to conceal the wires.
We are in the kids' bedroom right now, guys. Whereas on the way in the passage of the kids' bedroom, we had a provision for wash basin cabinet, and this is how we have designed it. And in the kids' bedroom, this room was quite spacious, and it had a size of around 13 by 12. And this is how we have designed a nice light wardrobe here, which is having a combination of a dark laminate with the contrast of a light tint laminate. And we have made sure that we are matching the dark color laminate with the loft doors. If you can just have a look at the internals of the slider wardrobe, what we have done is we have given more provision for the storage where they can keep their toys and everything, and also equally we have provided an angle space. And similarly we have designed on this side also. Over to this side, there was a provision for a walk-in wardrobe. The entrance of the walk-in wardrobe has been done with a wooden paneling again, which is of size 3 inch by 3 inch. Towards this side, you can see a huge mirror nicely sandwiched on the wall with a chest of bottom cabinets with a contrast color of light and dark. Over to this side, we have given an openable wardrobe with the shelves inside where they can keep their bath towels and all those things, followed by a toilet room here. So that's it about this room, guys. We are in the guest bedroom now, guys. As usual in this guest bedroom, the room was very nominal in size, which was around 10 by 12. So we have to compromise in designing more furniture. So what we have designed is a sleek openable wardrobe with a contrasting color of again light brown with a darker brown combination, in which what we have done is we have given a paneling with a lighter strip border, and the loft is provided with lighter color. You can just have a look at the internals where we have given a drawer and a couple of shelves at the bottom. Towards this side, we have given a storage provision below the mirror. We have designed a nice cot with a storage and also a chest of cabinet towards the right hand side, which can act as a nice stand. So this is the storage where they can keep their quilts, mattresses and all those things. And at the same time, towards the other side of the cot, what we have given is 2 huge drawers so that they can keep their pillows and all those items whichever they really use. So this is the functionality of this particular cot, guys, and that's it about this particular bedroom.
Hi everyone, we are in the guest bedroom right now. Let me explain you about the fall ceiling. This is a very simple, sleek and a cornice fall ceiling where the light can spread equally in the entire room. And on the left hand side we have provided 7 feet by 7 feet openable wardrobe with the dressing unit.
Hey guys, we have designed office area 2 in right hand side. We have proposed 4 drawers, and coming to the left hand side, we have proposed a chest cabinet with the 3 drawers and 3 shutters, which is good enough to keep your all files and office stuff. That's it about office, guys.
Hope you all enjoyed watching Mr. Raghu's video. We are here signing off for today with the entire team, guys. Let me introduce the entire team today. Whoever have dedicatedly worked in making this beautiful house a home. So towards my extreme right hand side, that is Pradeep is but sitting here, who is the person responsible for you to watch our website, and next to him he is the visualizer. The visualizer is a person who makes your house watch into 100% close to reality. And next we have Mr. Harshit, who is one of our crazy designers, and Murli, the regional project manager, who makes sure that every one of the houses executed 200%. Next we have Vaishnavi, the closest designer of this house, who has put her heart and soul in designing this house. Next we have Kirti, who has helped this particular client in shopping, lights and fans and all those fancy stuffs. And next we have Miss Pooja, who is one of the designers who has closely worked with Mr. Raghu's wife in making the Pooja unit come into the reality. And that was all about Mr. Raghu's house, guys. For more videos of Bonito Designs, you can log on to our website bonito.in, and also you can Manito Designs channel in YouTube. Recently, we have come up with a new portal called as Squadro, wherein we are selling our furnitures online. If at all, if you are looking for any portable furniture, doesn't matter, it's a new house, existing house, or a house which you are planning to buy, we are ready at your doorsteps to deliver all our products. You can log on to our website squadro.in to browse across our furnitures. Keep watching us. Bye bye.